Alright, YouTube, got a new cape, silk, not real silk, obviously. Icy gray, icy gray. Got some packages today. Gonna take them to the shop and unbox them. I think there's some shop upgrades in there. I ordered it a while ago. Also, my updated barber license came. As you can see, it finally expires in 2 years. I don't know why, but when I initially got my license, it said it expired this April 2022. That's ridiculous. So it only lasted 8 months. And I had to pay $130 to get it renewed. But now that I'm looking at it, it says it renews in 2 years, which is amazing. So I guess it was something with like the initial licensing, since I didn't have to pay to get my first license. So it makes sense now. That's just how the city works. All right, let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is my utility cart to replace my broken one. So we got our chest rig for my camera, well, for my phone. Overhead tripod for my desk, 4-piece power strip. Let's crack this open now. So it comes with 3 pieces. So we in there now. Can't wait to use this tomorrow. It was very complicated to put together. It took me like 20 minutes. This is my old spot cart. It's broken though. I got it last year and it came with like the wheel was weird. As you can see, it leans and then it falls. I got a late start to breakfast, but this is what I usually get for breakfast. Like if I'm out on Mondays or Wednesdays, this is what I usually grab. It's banging. Back at it. 180. All right, YouTube, we here. Alright, YouTube, we in here. So my normal guy who does me, he isn't here today, so I think they have a substitute for him. Is it okay if I record? Yeah, I'm doing like a vlog. As you can see, I wasn't able to record, but my back is adjusted now. So right now, as you can see, they got me on a roller, basically rolling out my back, hitting the pressure point. It's very relaxing. Barbers, I'm telling you, you need a chiropractor. I feel like a new man. Like my back was killing me. Find a good chiropractor. Look at the reviews. Go on Google, search chiropractor near me. You might even have to drive a little bit. If the reviews is good and they have about 4.5 to 5 stars, go get them, Tiger. Every barber and stylist needs a good chiropractor. I'm telling you, it'll change your life. Especially if you're working long hours, you need one. Gotta do it. telling y'all, this is the best ice cream you will ever eat in your life. Thank me later. Self-checkouts make life 10 times easier.
49.
Alright YouTube, about to make my mom's specialty dish. We call it top 10. These the ingredients: cream cheese, chicken breast, butter, some red sauce. And as far as the noodles, I like penne with this dish. Some spinach, of course. Texas toast. This is a must. Sheesh. It's about to be banging. YouTube, that does it for today's vlog. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Try and get some haircut tutorials out to you. Like, comment, subscribe. It's 4th Ken, and I'm out. Peace.